Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 18th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and we are on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we definitely did get this pushed down with a breaker structure, which would make you think that this would at least be one down, one up, one down, even if it is an ABC, which I think it is. So there probably is a pretty good chance we will get another leg to the downside. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, we got a possible end of a correction right here, and then we have impulsive up, corrective down, impulsive up, right to a Fibonacci retracement level. It looks like a complete ABC correction, especially based on the higher time frames. If that's true, then it likely will now be making lower lows, lower highs, going down for either a wave C on the higher time frames or possibly going down for a wave 3 on the higher time frames. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.